AI and machine learning's role in testing is expanding. What is different now is that we're moving to increasingly smaller geometries, advanced packaging technologies, and chiplet-based designs. And that's driving us to change the nature of the type of analytics that we do, both in terms of the software and the hardware infrastructure. The number of testing applications that can benefit from AI continues to rise, including test time reduction, V-min Fmax search reduction, shift left, smart pairing of chiplets, and overall power reduction. One key benefit of AI in testing is how it can optimize testing at the die level, allowing for chip-by-chip customization. This reduces the time spent on debugging complex designs with 2,500 cores or more. AI-powered analytics can streamline the design-to-test process, making debugging faster and more efficient by addressing tool incompatibilities and reducing manual interventions. By using packetized scan test, like the streaming scan network methodology, AI helps manage data flow efficiently, even in complex multi-core designs. With AI, we're also optimizing the pairing of chiplets, ensuring the highest yield and performance. Speaking of yield, that's where the shift-left strategy comes in, which predicts which devices will fail earlier in the test process. From test time reduction to power optimization, AI is delivering real results. Leading chip manufacturers report massive improvements in productivity and diagnosis accuracy using AI-powered systems. But we still need engineering innovation. We have more complex designs and scaling in our designs. We need to get the same work done even faster by using AI as a tool to get us there. With AI leading the charge, Advantest is driving the next generation of innovation. Tune in to the Advantest Talk semi-podcast for the latest.